Yes, good morning students. I think you all must have done your test very well. It will be checked soon and marks will be sent to you tomorrow in the morning. So you all will be revising your syllabus very well. Now we are going to start last exercise of this chapter, exercise 1.4. So open your books. First question of this question. So concentrate on the statement first. I am reading it. Listen it carefully and open your book. The product of two integers is 270. One of the integers is minus 18. Find the other integer. The product of two integers are given and one integer is also given. Find other integer. So very simple. Already same type of question we have done. What is given? Product of two integers, that is 270, and one integer is also given. One integer, it is minus 18. We have to find other. So we can let the unknown number, let other number, it will be x. So product of first and second, these two integers, that is given 270. So according to question, the product of this and this, minus 18 multiply x, product means multiplication, is equal to 270. So minus 18x, 18 multiply with x, 18x, 270 x is equal to, so multiplication change into division, 270 upon minus 18. So 18 15s are 270. So there is one negative sign, answer will be negative. So the other integer will be minus 15. So check this question carefully and start. Next, question number 2. Again, read the statement. First of all, try to understand the statement. Read it carefully. So second question of this exercise, find an integer which when multiplied by 4 and divided by 9 becomes minus 28. It means we have to find such a number, unknown number we have to find, which number is multiplied by 5 and divided by 9, then it becomes minus 28. So question number 2, again we have to let unknown number which we have to find, let unknown number, that is x. So according to question, this number will be multiplied by 4. So 4 multiplied by x, then the same number product will divided by 9 and it becomes minus 28. So very simple, 4x upon 9 is equal to minus 28. So x is equal to minus 28. Fraction number, when we change the sign, it will be in reciprocal. So 4 by 9 converted into 9 by 4. 4 7s are 28. So again single negative sign, minus 63 is the answer, unknown number. So next we are going to start third question. Again listen the statement carefully. If the quotient obtained on dividing an integer by minus 9, that is minus 8, find the integer. Simple. If the quotient obtained on dividing an integer which integer. So let again unknown integer, let the unknown integer, unknown number, that is x. So what is question? The question is the quotient obtained on dividing an integer by -9. So this number will be divided by -9. So x divided by -9, and it is -8. So x is equal to -8. Then division convert into multiplication, -9. X is equal to 8, 9s are 72. Again minus 2 signs are there, 2 negative signs are there, 2 is given number, so answer will be positive. So the answer is positive 72. Then next question, question 4. Listen this question carefully. There is little change. Question is simple, but little change is this in this question. So first of all, listen the statement carefully. Try to understand what we have to find and what is given. So the statement is, a shopkeeper earns a profit of ₹1 by selling 1 pen and earns a loss of 30 pies on sale of 1 pencil, and in a particular month he incurs a loss of ₹5, and in that month he sold 40 pens. How many pencils did he sell in that period? First of all, what we have to find? We have to find number of pencils. And if the statement is by selling 1 pen, if a person sold 1 pen, he gains a profit ₹1 and earns a loss of 30 pies on selling 1 pencil. It means if the person sells 1 pencil, he earns a loss 30 pies, and if he sells 1 pen, the profit is ₹1, and in a particular month he incurs a loss of ₹5. So first of all, but we have to find number of pencils, how many pencils he has sold in that particular month. So we have to find pencils. So question number 4, let number of pencils that are x. So profit on 1 pen, profit on 1 pen, it is given ₹1, but loss is given into pies, so we can convert rather into pies. So 100 pies, and profit on, he has sold 40 pens in a particular month, so profit on 40 pens, that will be 40 into 100, 4,000 pies. It means total profit is 400 pies. And now when he sells the pencils, loss of 1 pencil, it is 30 pies, and loss of, how many pencils we have? X. Loss of X pencils, it will be 30 into X, 30X pies. Then total loss, how much total loss? ₹5. Again it can be converted into pies, it will be 500 pies, because same unit we should have. 100 pies, then profit of 40 pence, 4,000 pies. Loss of one pencil, already it was given in pies. So total loss, it is 500 pies. Now what we have to find? We have to find total number of pencils. So according to question, total profit we have 4,000 pies, and we know profit always taken in positive integer and loss is taken in negative integer. So total profit is 4,000 pies. That's why we are taken in positive 4,000 pies, and loss we have 30x, and it will be taken in negative because loss is always taken in negative. And what is total profit, total loss? It is given 500 pies. So we can find the value of x. Minus 30x will remain as it is, then 500 pies. 4,000, when it will be converted to right side, it will be of negative 4,000 pies. So x is equal to this loss is also in negative. So minus 4,500 pies. This negative sign we have used because loss is always taken in negative. That's why we are using this negative sign. Upon minus 30. Minus related with minus 0 and 150. So 150 pencils there are. Answer. So let me explain it again. What is given in this question? It is given ki profit on one pen, it is 1 rupee, and loss of one pencil, it is 30 pies. So 40 pens the person has sold. That's why profit of 40 pens, it is 4,000 pies, and loss on expenses because total number of pencils we have only x, we have let 30x, and total loss it is given 500 pies. And remember this thing, loss is always taken in negative integer and profit is always taken in positive integer. That's why we have used negative sign with loss 500 and with loss 30. So we have to find the value of x. X is the number of pencils, so this is we have to find 150 pencils. This is the answer.